Alright, what up guys? It's Nick back here with another video, and today I'm doing the Armored Titan, and I'm doing this one because I've been watching the final season and I know it's about to end soon. They need to hurry up and end. This anime is supposed to bend over but you know, they keep dragging it out. So man, the Armored Titan probably has the coolest design of all the Titans, because I know he was designed after Brock Lesnar. So I chose to do this one again because when I found this image, I liked it a lot because it had him in a nice action pose. And then I had just bought some shoes that look similar to the ones I put on here, so I thought that that'd be a cool thing to do. Now one thing I will say about doing the Titans is that they don't particularly sell well at conventions, like at pop culture conventions. You know, let me reword that. If you go to an anime specific convention, they'll sell, but I'm talking about just like one where it's very general, like they won't sell that well. So that's one thing I try to keep in mind when I make these is who's gonna be there where I'm selling it. You know what I'm saying? So if I'm going to a pop culture convention, I probably won't even take it. You know what I'm saying? Because it's probably not gonna sell. But you know, so I enjoy making stuff like this because he has a cool design and the artwork came out very well. Like I feel like this is one of my best executed ones because the detail pop, the lightning pop when I put on the end, you know, and when I show the finished result, you see what I'm talking about. But like the details were really popping on this one, so I tried to make sure that I included all of the details for him. So you know, so when he popped, he popped. But anyway, this was very fun to make. I have the finished result at the end of this video. So let me know what you guys think. If you want to see me do the rest of the Titans, let me know, because I have gotten that request. I still plan to do all of them. I've done Aaron already, but I don't think I've made the video for it, but I've done him already. I need to do the female Titan and the Jaw Titan. I've done the Colossal Titan, so I need to do that. I need to make that video. But other than that, like I really enjoyed the series, and it's growing. You know what I'm saying? Like it's already hit its peak, so it needs to end just so we can go and wrap it up, because the show take these 2 and 3 year breaks. They just need to stop. Please stop doing that. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe. You know, please subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you guys think I should come up with next. If there's anything you suggest or you want to change, or say, hey, I would like it if you did this, blah blah blah. Let me know. It's no big deal. Like, it'll take me a while to do it, but hey, we'll make it happen. So like, comment, subscribe, holla back.